Hello, Internet, and welcome back. And thanks for coming and watching. So in this video, we're just going to do a little bit more on the job table. So we're going to define each job, how much it costs based on time. So the hours a mechanic may spend on a job, plus the parts. And that's all in preparation for the invoicing side of this solution. But additionally, once we've got those columns, then we can start thinking about the Canvas app, so the mobile application for the mechanics on the shop floor to take pictures, upload them, and essentially say how many hours they've spent on the job, etc. So that's what we're going to do now. So I'm over in make.powerapps.com. I've selected my job table. It's pretty limited at the moment, so it's just got a work order as a parent and also a part as a parent, and we've just got this hours. So all I've put in here is an hours column, so it's just a decimal column, not required. And what we're going to do now is add two other columns which calculate the time-based cost of the mechanic's time, and also another column to bring in the price for the engine as well. So we click on add, and this one we can call time cost, and we're going to make it a formula column. So this is quite simple. So we've got the column called hours. So we're going to say hours times the hourly rate. Now you could handle this in a different table, obviously, to pull in an hourly rate that may change, but to keep this simple, we're just going to use a formula column with a fixed price of £30 an hour. Click save. Okay, so we've got that currently 0 because there's no hours, that's fine. And we want our part cost as well. So we'll say part cost, another formula, and this time we're going to access the parent record of part. So we'll say part dot customer price. So that's going to pull that in. Okay, there you go. So it's pulled in the £125 for the engine. Okay, so that's great. And now additionally, for each job, we can have a total cost. And that's going to be a formula column. And it's going to be the part cost plus the time cost, isn't it? Okay, advanced option, decimal, that's fine. Okay, happy days. So that's all set up, ready to go. And the final thing in preparation for the Canvas app is we want an image field. So we're going to say, we'll just call it image. And this time the data type is file and of the subtype image. And we'll make this the primary image. All primary image does is if you use that, if you access that job in the model driven app, you get a small version of the image as a reference. So that's fine. And we'll just double check how much we can put as the max kilobytes. So we'll just copy that in. There we go, remove the KB. Save. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to work on in the next video before we go into the Canvas app, we're going to do a little bit of Power Automate for the first time in this series. And as a new job is created, we're going to take all the costs of the job in the work order, sum them, and add that sum to the work order total, which we have available already. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.